So now using Pythagoras theorem, we will do exercise 10.2. Here you see we have three sides. Okay, we have to examine whether they are Pythagorean triplets or not. Pythagorean triplet means this, whether they are H, B or P. So that means what to do. The longest side you take it as H, the other two you take B and P. So you square them plus the smaller one. If they are equal to the third side, that means they are a side of right triangle, then we can say they are Pythagorean triplet. But if third we add the smaller two not equal to the third one, then in that case they are not Pythagorean triplet. So let us do it. You have number A, you have 6, 8, 10. So remember, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So we take the highest one, the longest one from here, we take it as H. 6, 8, and 10. So that means the longest one is 10, right? We take it as 8. P and B you can take any. So if I take P to be 6, then B will be 8. So from here, in order to use Pythagoras theorem, we have to square them. So when you square the alphabet, square also the number. Okay, P square, it will be equal to 6 square. B square, it will be equal to 8 square. So here we'll have 8 square, 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10. Okay, 10 into 10, it will be equal to 100. Then P square. P square means 6 square. That means 6 into 6. 6 into 6 equal to what? 36. So for alphabet, we cannot remove the square. But number, when we finish to multiply, then we can remove. Okay. Then B square. 8 square. 8 square means you have to do 8 into 8. 8 into 8 will be equal to what? It will be equal to 64. Now what are the two smaller? You have 36 and 64. Okay, so these two smaller, you plus them and check whether they will be 100 or not. So here we can say P square plus B square. P square we get 36. B square we get 64. So if you plus them, we get 100. And 100 it is equal to H square. So that means we see when we plus the smaller two, they are equal to the longest one, which means they satisfied Pythagoras theorem. So that is why we can say 6, 8 and 10, they are Pythagorean triplet. Okay, let us try with number B. We have 8, 15 and 16. Which one is the longest one? 16. So I will take it as H. Okay, then B you can take as 8, 15 you can take as P. Okay, remember we have to check only for H should be the longest. The other one we can take any. If take one as B, the other will be P. If take one as P, the other will be B. So what to do next? We have to square them. Square both sides. Okay, square the alphabet as well as the number. So here H square, let it be 16 square. Mean you have to multiply 16 into 16. So I hope you know how to multiply. Multiply yourself. 6 into 6, 36. 6, 1, 6 plus 3, 9. 1 into 6, 1 into 1, 6, 5, 2. So here you have 2, 5, 6. Then here you see B square, 8 into 8, 64. P square, 15 into 15, 2, 2, 5. Okay, so then what to do? Plus the smaller 2, B square plus P square. Okay, plus the smaller 2. B square here is 64, then plus 2 to 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. Then here 2. Here we have 2, 8, 9, but here 2, 5, 6. Are they equal? No. So that means not equal to H square. So when we plus the smaller 2, they are not equal to the big one. That means they are not Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so you see like that. If you plus all the 3, after you square all the 3, you add the smaller 2. If it is equal to the big one, it will be Pythagorean triplet. But if they are not equal after adding, okay, only after adding, after squaring, then they are not Pythagorean triplet. Clear? So let us check with the next one. 7, 8, 9. Okay, the highest one we can take as 9. The smaller one we can take one as B, another one as P. Okay, those. So what to do next? We square it. Square both sides. So 9 into 9, 81. 7 into 7, 49. 8 into 8, 64. So what are the smaller two? 49 and 64. Okay, so we plus the smaller one. 9 plus 4, 13, 10, 11. So here you see we get 113, here 81. Are they equal? No. So when they are not equal, that means are they Pythagorean triplet? No, they are not. So I hope you understand now. Okay, take the number, the largest one take as H, the other two smaller you can take as P and B. Square them all three, then plus the smaller. If they are equal to the longest one, they form Pythagorean triplet. But if they are not equal, they are not Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so you do as your homework. This one, number 9. Okay, here also the same way. You have to square all three, take the highest as your H, then plus the smaller two after you square them. If they are equal to the third one, they are Pythagorean triplet. If not, they are not. Okay, this one, question 9, you will get it in revision exercise. For the new old book like my one, you will get it very close to the exercise only. But for those who are using new book, you will get it at the back of your book. Okay, you'll have set 1, set 2. So you check for chapter 10, then you will get it. Okay, question number 9, you will have to do the same way as you do for this one. Clear? You have to take the 3, take the highest one as your H, then the smaller one as B and another as P. Square them, then remember to plus the smaller 2. Then after you plus, you see are they equal to the third one or not. If they are equal, they form Pythagorean triplet. If they are not equal, they are not Pythagorean triplet.